Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the language on Netflix in just a few seconds. First of all, open your Netflix application, then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here, either tap on your name or you can tap on the three lines on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now tap on the option of account. Now in your account section, simply just scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you find the option of adjust parental controls, or it can be profile and parental controls in your device. Now after tapping on this option, you just have to choose that particular profile of yours which you want to update. Now you just have to provide the code that is going to send on your email address. After providing that code, you will see the option of changing the language. So you need to tap on the language option, then tap on the option of change. Now Netflix is going to show you two further options: the display language for the app's interface and the audio and the subtitle preferences. So you need to select your preferred display language and then you just have to simply tap on the option of save. This way you will be able to easily change your language on Netflix. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.